What is up, you beautiful faces, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Jamila Ariel. If you are new, welcome, and if you're old, welcome back. Now, hopping right into it, I'm just gonna start off by oiling my edges with some I think that's shea butter oil. And I'm oiling my edges because my edges are thinning out, y'all. Like, I think it's because all I do with my natural hair is a high puff. But you want to start with some wet hair. Now, me personally, after I wash my hair, I do let it air dry when I do my puff. But this puff is like days old, so this is kind of like me reviving the puff. Originally, I do this on wet hair, like freshly washed hair. I don't blow dry it out. But if you want and your hair is already dry, you can just take a spray bottle like I'm doing here, and you can wet it up. Okay, and leave-in conditioner is key when you want those curls popping. First, I take these two leave-in conditioners, and I do a small amount because this is just for the top of my hair, and I will work this conditioner down to the edges part of my hair. But this really plays a huge part in the popping curls for the puff. And it plays a part with the slick edges too, and hydration for the hair. So I'm just gonna take a good amount and just work it through the hair, work it through the ends to root. I don't do the edges first, I do the roots first, or the ends first. I don't know how to explain that, but I just work it in the hair until my hair feels moisturized, or until I feel like it's enough. I don't know, y'all know that with natural hair that they say use a dime amount, but we end up using like the whole bottle. But yeah. Okay, now the absolute only reason why I used Got To Be Glue right here is because I could not find my Gorilla Snot. So don't take me out for using Got To Be Glued. I had somewhere to go and I needed to be done with this hair already. So that was the next best thing. I was not finna use a lot of edge control right there. Because I was finna already put edge control on there, but I needed something to slick that hair down because those edges was a little nappy, so I needed something to help it be slick. And so Got To Be was there, and my Gorilla Snot was not. That rhymed. But the Gorilla Snot was nowhere to be found, so Got To Be was the next in line. Okay, so y'all are really about to call me ghetto for this, but for a hair tie, I take 2 bra straps, tie them together, and that's what I use for my hair. I haven't found hair ties in my room in so long, so I was innovative and creative and came up with the bra strap method. I mean, it works just as well as the hair tie. So I'm finna tie that thing up like a ponytail, and we finna keep it moving. I mean, I don't discriminate. It's elastic, so it works the same. I don't see why anything will be wrong with it. I mean, I don't use the bra straps, so hate all you want to, but it works the same as elastic bands. You out here wasting your money on elastic bands, I'm out here saving money. So boom, baby. And now comes my favorite part of all, and that is producing the curls, or making those curls pop. And it's very simple, it's very quick, very easy. But what I do is I take a little bit of water, I spray my hand, and as you guys saw earlier, my poof is already moisturized, so it will be easier for it to curl up. Even though it's easy for my hair to curl up, but it will be easier because it's already moisturized, and I'm just taking some water on my hands and kind of coiling it with my fingers. But you don't have to do the whole poof, just do majority or a good amount of the hairs that are sticking out of the ponytail to make it look curly. And right here, I guess I did add some more leave-in conditioner, but that's just to make sure that the curls will be popping and the poof will look good. So this is going to take a good little while, so I'm not going to talk the entire time. I'm just going to let you guys watch. Okay, and next I'm just going to take some pieces out on both sides in the back, and I'm going to add a little bit of water and mousse to it so it can kind of coil up in the back. You don't have to do this, but I just do this because I think it's cute to have some curls hanging in the back. It looks kind of like a messy bun, but not a messy bun, you know what I'm saying? And I do the same in the front as well. And then after I do this, I'm going to do my edges. And for my edges, I'm going to use Edge Booster Edge Control. And y'all, I struggle the most with doing my edges. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I don't have any edges. But I just be struggling with my edges. So this part is going to be sped up. And then after this, I'm going to show y'all how to make that poof look a little bigger. Because my poof, it looks alright. But it's not as big as I want it to be. So I'm going to show y'all how to do that. Okay, now the reason I do this last is so the poof can dry off because it was wet. And so what I do is I just take a pick or a big comb, and you don't comb it out all the way. You just stick it in there and kind of pull it up and out, but do not comb it out all the way because you will comb out the curls. And so you can do this with a blow dryer as you're pulling it, and kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, but as you're pulling, you just blow dry it so it's drying off while you're like poofing it out, if that makes any sense. But I didn't do that here because my hair was like majority dry because I didn't freshly wash my hair. My hair has been washed for like 4 days. This is just me refreshing my poof. So if your hair is freshly washed and you're doing your poof, just go ahead and take the blow dryer and blow dry it while you're poofing it out. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some oil sheen on my hair to make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized and that it smells good as well. And I'm also going to spray, it's not a holding spray, but it kind of is a holding spray, just so my poof can stay in place, even though it's not going nowhere. But yeah, I'm just going to spray that so my poof can stay in place. And this L'Oreal spray is really just for the smell. The one after this is the holding spray. So this is the Sleek It spray by L'Oreal. It's for flat ironing your hair, but I'm not flat ironing it. And I'm just using this Aquanet spray that I got from Walmart. It's just a random setting spray or holding spray. And yeah. Okay, you guys, and this is the finished product. This video was filmed days before, so this is what it looks like when my hair is still wet in the poof, and this is what my hair looks like dry. I really hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next. I love each and every one of you all, and if you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. So yeah. I'll see you guys later.
Can't really explain it.